Yo, what is going on everybody on YouTube, man? I have some very depressing news about this upcoming sneakers day. It was not what we expected at all, man, but it could be a twist to it. Let's get into today's video. What's going on YouTube? Thanks for tapping into today's video. You guys see the thumbnail and the title. We'll be talking about one of the most anticipated days of 2023, and that was Sneakers Day 2023, September the 9th. It usually happens on September the 8th. They push it back a day. You know, we get Sneakers Day in the US, the UK, Canada, all types of different places. And Sneakers Day will be taking place. And we're going to be talking about what is actually, confirmed right now as far as, this Labor Day, what's confirmed for September 9th. And like I said, it could be a twist to it. It could drop a couple other gems in there. But that's just up for Nike to decide, I guess, because it's not confirmed. If you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need you to do, man, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we ever drop on the channel. And please leave a huge like on today's video, man. The likes go a long way. You guys already know we're trying to strive for that 100K. And I appreciate all of the support you guys have been showing up until this point, man. We finally over the Palomino drop. Let me grab them real quick, bruh. We over the Palomino things, man. One of the best sneakers to release this year, 2023, I must say. And of course, your boy doubled up on these beautiful Palomino things, man. All right, guys. So I know I dropped a video talking about Sneakers Day. We pretty much got misled, honestly, different groups, a couple different groups, some Discords, Twitter, Instagram. A lot of people stirred the pot up with this crazy facade of a crazy, Sneakers Day. But the pairs that are confirmed right now, like literally only pairs that I confirmed right now, I got the screenshot right here. I'm gonna put it up for you guys so you can check it out. It's nothing what we expected. So for the first sneaker, you have the Air Max 186 World Made Korea, Air Jordan 1 Low World Made Japan, the Dunk Low Vintage Navy, the Air Max Plus Pure Platinums, the Air Footscape Natural and Brown, and Dunk Low University Red, which is the St. John Dunks, and then a classified time for the Air Jordan 4 Red Cements, even though these will be dropping within the next couple of days, man. They don't have a time for that drop yet, but the specific times for those other sneakers that I did mention are the set times that will be happening for Sneakers Day, September 9th. And I know y'all probably like, yo, where's the lost and founds? Where is the Air Jordan 4 SBs? Where's all that hype that we've seen before? And it's not like it's not going to happen. I'm not saying that they're not going to drop those sneakers, but it's not confirmed yet on the back end. Like, only shoes that is confirmed right now are the sneakers you guys see on the screen and the sneakers I just told you guys, which is the same thing. And there's no Air Jordan 1 lost and founds on our list. So I said to you guys, earlier in the video, they could, drop a couple different gems. You guys see they do have unclassified time for the Air Jordan 4 Red Cements, but we could potentially see them drop the lost and founds, them drop the Black Phantom Air Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott's, a couple different stickers that they could definitely throw in there. And I could even see them dropping the Palominos again, UNC Toes. I know they definitely have a bunch more stock in their warehouse. So also I'm telling you guys, don't just take this picture right here like it's the only thing that's going to be dropping. It's Nike. Nike always does crazy things. When I told y'all Nike was going to do a Kobe's Day restock, nobody believed me. And guess what? They only dropped a limited amount of pairs, but they still did drop a bunch of Kobe's for Kobe Day. You feel me? So don't take this photo too solidly. You feel me? Just take it with a little grain of salt for now, because it's still going to be more updates leading up to September 9th, this Sneakers Day. And I do feel like we could even see a shock drop or them throwing in the Cherry 12s, the Air Jordan 8 playoffs, because those are two sneakers that we haven't seen any, build up behind. We haven't seen a shock drop. We haven't seen exclusive access. And those sneakers are releasing within the next, month and a half. So we can see Nike do something like that, unloading all their pairs, getting all the pairs out earlier, so people can, get some hype, get some, some anticipation built behind the sneaker if they don't hit on Sneakers Day. So it's just a couple things that we could potentially see Nike doing. It's not confirmed yet, like I said, and it's not unconfirmed, if that makes sense. Like, they ain't saying that they're not dropping these pairs, but they are telling us what right now is confirmed. It's a couple of dunks, and of course, probably the highlight of the confirmed sneakers is the Air Jordan 4 Red Cements, even though they already did a shock drop on that pair. And I ain't gonna hold y'all, the Air Jordan 4 Red Cements might be the first Air Jordan 4 in a while to literally sit, bro. I really don't feel too strong about that sneaker. I don't think a lot of people gravitate towards it, especially if you have the Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds. If you got the Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds, why would you need a red cement Air Jordan 4. That's just my take. That's just my honest opinion. You guys can let me know how you feel about it down below in the comment section. If you guys have any other information about this Sneakers Day restock, please let us know down below in the comment section. I tell you guys every single video, people come to the video just to see you guys comments, see what you guys think about what we talking about on the channel. And I know somebody out there probably know a lot more than me, so go ahead and drop a couple of thoughts. Drop your, you know what I'm saying, your little inside scoop on what's happening for this Sneakers Day. I know it's a bunch of people in some Discords, you know, a bunch of people following people on Twitter, IG, and stuff like that with a lot of good knowledge behind the scenes on what's happening. So go ahead and drop a couple gems or two for the Vintage Squad, man. So like I said, I'm going to be dropping all the different, you know, screenshots that I did get from Stash Sneakers. I always follow them. It's a couple different groups that I do follow. But right now, this is definitely what we are seeing that will be dropping. I know it's a bummer. I know nobody wants to hear what I'm talking about right now because they want the Travis Scott, still want the Lost and Founds, SB4s. The list goes on and on from what we did see, you know what I'm saying, recently for them dropping on Sneakers Day. And it all changed. But like I said, I'm not saying it's not happening, but I am saying that it is not confirmed as of right now. But if you want a couple of different Air Maxes, you want some Dunks, you want some Jordan 1 lows, hey, they got you covered for this Sneakers Day as far as what's confirmed right now. But man, you guys know what I want. I want another pair of Lost and Founds. I want another pair of, you know what I'm saying, SB4s. I want some heat, you feel me? And it's gonna be probably limited pairs that does drop. That's why I'm not too mad that, you know what I'm saying, they aren't confirmed yet, because we all know it's gonna be a limited restock. It's not gonna be a bunch of pairs. It's the Sneakers Day. It's to build up the sales, to build up the hype for the Nike Sneakers app. And Nike is doing just that, just like they did with the Kobe restock. It was like 100 pairs of the 6 Grinches, like 600 pairs of the Mamacitas, limited restock. So don't be surprised if you take an L, but it is all good, you know what I'm saying? You never know what Nike will do, how much pairs it will drop. Just all up in the air right now, but more information definitely will be coming. So yeah, man, I appreciate everybody for tapping into today's video. I know I always tell you guys in every video, go check out Outright Brand. They have a bunch of different collections that's dropped right now. The latest 2 was the Palomino ones, the Air Jordan 4 Frozen Moments. You guys can always use my discount code, the Vintage, to save you 10% off your entire order. Rock their stuff almost every single day. Leather tees, leather shorts, leather hats. They have a lot of offer. Like I said, go check them out down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you miss out on any content that we ever drop. And please give a huge like on today's video and drop some comments down below. Let me know what you would like to see Nike shockingly drop on Sneakers Day 2023, man. Again, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tapping in. And with all this being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.